The array.concat method is used to merge two or more arrays. This method does not change the existing arrays, but instead returns a new array. Down below we have array1 and array2 consisting of string elements. Right now what we will do is we will create a third array which will concat first array with second array. So to achieve that we can say const array3 equals array1.concat, and here we provide array2 as an argument. And if we console log this array, so console log array3, save this file and execute the script. So I'm going to say node script.js. We can see that right now we have printed out an array containing all the elements from array1 and array2. This is array.concat explained in short. I hope you like this video. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also recommend to a friend. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you again in the future.